Hello, this is Ali from SafeNet. This presentation is about where to find the support website of SafeNet and to find where are the files and documentation, etc. So just open internet browser, go to safenet-inc.com and /support. And here you can, in a minute, see the website for our support. Now you have to choose which product you'd like, and you choose HASP. And here you can find a list of all the files that are available. For instance, this is a command line runtime installer. Next, you can find APIs and LDKs for Ubuntu and other things. So you might find here everything you need about LDK, about HASP. Thank you for watching.